This weather is really not requiring sunglasses, but I'm gonna wear them anyway because I need them to see. You can't get these anymore because I know you guys will ask, but I found a pair that's very similar and I'll link them. So anyways, welcome back. A long time no vlog. I always say that because I really don't vlog very often, but we're doing it. I have a bunch of just stuff I gotta run around and do, and of course it's like some cold rainy day, and then I think it's supposed to be like 90 tomorrow or something. So I've got my heated seats on and we got the heat turned up on max, and we're just gonna pretend that it's a nice day. But yeah, I have a lot of running around to do for house things. I might stop in the house and show you guys. I've been doing like little sneaky peekies. You know, why did I say that? I didn't like that. I didn't like that at all. I have been doing some sneak peeks on Instagram and showing you guys. Oh, there's a UPS man right there and I have packages for him. Should I stalk him? Oh, he's going the other way. That would be a little creepy if I followed him to someone else's home. Anyways, I might stop over there, show you guys what it's looking like, because it looks way different than the last time I showed on YouTube. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen it more, but if not, it's looking like a whole house now. Like we've got walls. What? But yeah, I have to return some samples that I borrowed. I have to go to the store, get some groceries because Chef Steph, she's back. And just a lot of like, you know, mundane activities, but we're gonna make them fun. We always do. Right, guys? We. I'm always talking about we. Who is we? Us? You and me? It's me and you. Now, I've been waiting. I think I wanna make him. YouTube, are you gonna copyright flag me for that? I am no longer allowed to use like any songs because they are like jail. Instant jail. You put in 3 seconds, jail. I've just been sitting in my car waiting for it to stop raining. Why do I not have an umbrella ever in life? Okay, so back here I have a hardwood floor sample. I have 2 others in my trunk, and why am I doing this on the rainiest day of all time? I don't know. But I have tried so many floor samples trying to get them to match with the cabinet color, because the cabinet color we're doing is like a wood tone, and so you want to make sure the wood has the same undertones. You don't want it too close in color because then it looks weird. So it's been a struggle, and then finding one that's in stock and in the budget that my husband has given me. So annoying. Anyways, I have all these samples that I have to return. They're all from different stores, so I'm just like driving around the nation, not the nation, but returning them all. And I feel really bad because the people who work at the stores, they've been like helping me out, and now I feel bad that I didn't choose them. Like I didn't pick you, and I'm sorry. Like, should I give out a participation ribbon? Like, thank you for participating. You did not win. I don't know, but this one was really nice, but it was just too much and it was too dark. We're doing things. With coffee, of course. Now we're at the place where I spend most of my time and most of my money. So I just got home and I saw that my Factor box just came in. Rose, aren't you so excited? Let's see what flavors we have. These came just in time because I truly do not feel like making myself lunch today. Here are all my meals. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna have today, but I've been testing these out for the past few months. They're sponsoring today's video, but I wanted to really try them out first and see if they get Chef Steph's approval, because I like when things taste good, and these actually do. They are fresh, they're never frozen. All you have to do is pop them in the microwave for a few minutes. Super easy and no mess. Like, no brainer. Very convenient, like when I don't feel like making myself lunch, or if I'm just feeling lazy, if Tommy's not gonna be home for dinner, I just pop one of these. He's actually taken these in for lunch for work, and his coworkers, they all bought a box, so we are big fans. And they have a bunch of different options. So a lot of these are like lower carb, keto. If you're into that, they have calorie specific, if you're counting calories, vegan, vegetarian, all of that. So lots of different options, something for everyone. Oh, this is a good one. This is the shredded chicken with corn and like a sour cream sauce. It just has like shredded chicken, brown rice. That sounds good. I think I'm gonna have this one. So let me pop this in the microwave quick. I am going to remove the sour cream because I don't want that heated up personally. And then 2 minutes and she will be ready to go. Here come all the dogs. 2 minutes later and we are ready to go. Definitely a better option than getting fast food. I feel way better. I don't feel like crap after I eat this. And the nice thing about Factor is that they have so many different meal options. They have like over 25 options and they're constantly rotating their menu, so you can try something new. And you can also adjust your schedule, how many meals you want to receive, how often. You can skip a week if you need, and I really like them. The company is the same company. They're now owned by HelloFresh, so if you were a fan of HelloFresh, I think you would definitely like the Factor meals as well. So I'm gonna finish this off camera because this is kind of rude. Right, Rosie? And I, of course, have a deal for you guys if you are wanting to try out Factor. I'm going to read it off so I don't mess it up. You can head to go.factor75.com/StephLetta120 and use code StephLetta120 to get $120 off. So use the deal, use the code, and thank me later because these are really good. A lot of the meal things I've tried, they just taste like, they taste frozen and not very good. These are fresh, never frozen, always good.
Hello, sir.
Oh my goodness, that was a kiss. Where's Rosie? Yeah, she doesn't want to be a part of this. So I just went to go to the house and there was a bunch of dudes there and I was just like, no. No, 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 no. I'm not putting on a show and filming in front of these weirdos. Not that they're weird, but. So Chef Steph is back, and what are we making for dinner today, you ask? So I'm making something called pancit, or pancit, depending on how you and your family say it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it is a Filipino dish. I am a quarter Filipino, if you did not know, on my dad's side. And so this is something I've grown up eating. I love it. It is so addicting. And usually I would only have it at like family functions because I've never made it. And when I posted about this on Instagram before, a lot of you were like, oh my God, I'm Filipino too, but I've never made it. It's so intimidating. It's really not that intimidating. It kind of is. My sister-in-law has a recipe and she like sent us the recipe card on how to make it. And there was like soaking involved and I was like, soaking? I don't know if I'm a soaker. So I decided to just tackle it in true Steph chef fashion. And I wung it. I winged it. I was winging it. I wung it. And it came out so good and it was really easy. So I have to share with you guys. It's basically like a Filipino stir fry, if you will. It's packed with vegetables. It's pretty healthy. The only thing is it's kind of like higher in sodium content, like a lot of Asian foods are. But other than that, you know, you could easily make this vegetarian if you wanted to. There's no dairy. It's super good and Tommy loves it as well. I personally love eating it hot or cold the next day. Something about cold the next day just does something for me. So let's get started. Let me show you everything you're gonna need. I've already chopped up some chicken thighs. You can use pretty much whatever meat you like. I'm using chicken thighs. I've minced up some onion and garlic. Next, we have some vegetable slaw. You could just get like a head of cabbage and chop it, but I like to just buy this. It's already ready to go. And then I can save whatever I use for like salads. Matchstick carrots, again, these are already like pre-chopped. Sidebar, please tell me that you saw the footage of Kendall Jenner trying to slice a cucumber because I was laughing so hard because like that is me. I have no, well, I am more advanced than Miss Jenner, but I suck at chopping things. Like, does it really matter? As long as it is finely chopped, who cares how you got there, right? As long as you have all of your extremities, who really cares? Snow peas, I love the crunchiness of these. As you'll notice, these like have like nice crunchy texture to them, and that's key here. You don't want like soggy vegetables in here. And then one of the key ingredients is vermicelli rice noodles. So these are rice-based noodles, and the nice thing about this dish is you can eat so much of it, and it makes like a lot, but you're never gonna feel like sickly full because it's made with this instead of like real wheat noodles. And I don't know, try it and you'll know what I mean, but this is a key ingredient, and don't make it with spaghetti. It's way better with these rice noodles. And then for some of the seasoning, we have soy sauce, fish sauce, oyster sauce. I also, what else do I need? Oh, sesame oil, olive oil, and chicken broth. So I guess I forgot to hit record when I was cooking the chicken, but it's not really a very appetizing moment. So it's just salt and pepper, garlic powder, and then I transfer it to a cutting board to let it just hang out. Now we're just sauteing the garlic and onion till it gets nice and fragrant, as they say. Then I'm gonna start adding in my vegetables. So the carrots, the cabbage slaw. I like a good amount of this, so like half the bag I would say. And then like a handful of the snow peas. Then I'm gonna take a little drizzle of sesame oil and just kind of pour that over the top. So the sesame oil adds a nice little flavor. And the key to cooking the vegetables is you don't want to overcook them. You want them to retain some of the crunchy texture. You could add like celery if you like that, or you know, whatever other crunch you like. Would anyone here like some carrots? Rosie wants some carrots. David? Ooh. Daz, come here. Rosie, ready? Oh, what are you doing? That was very eager of you. Ready? Not a very good catch. Is my depth perception off, or is it you guys? Ready, David? Oh. Yeah, right. How long until someone notices that it's on Rose's back? And who will be the brave soul to attempt to remove it? Let me get that for you, miss. Now I'm just adding the chicken back to the pan with one hand. It's called skills and talent. Now I'm gonna add in a whole container of chicken broth. So this is 32 ounces. Then a third of a cup of soy sauce. And then a few shakes of oyster sauce. That's like probably 2 tablespoons. And then a tablespoon of fish sauce. I have fish sauce and oyster sauce, and I don't know what other purpose to use them for besides this. So if you have any suggestions, let me know. Okay. Then you want to bring this mixture to a boil. And then once it's boiling, I'm going to add the entire package. It's basically like a brick of ramen noodles. And this is where it feels intimidating, but you just want to let the noodles absorb the liquid. David, you're just burping when I'm trying to film. Cute. This is probably not the authentic method. It's okay though. So the noodles cook pretty fast. It should only take like 4 or 5 minutes. I've tried doing this with the liquid and the noodles in a different pan. It still comes out good, but I think you get more flavor when everything is just absorbing it all at the same time, like the vegetables and the chicken. So when you're done, it should look something like this, and this looks like a lot, but the nice thing about these noodles is that package is only a serving size of 4, so I pretty much eat half of this. and then Tommy can have the other half. The little bit of noodles goes a long way, if that makes sense. So then at the very end, I just like to drizzle it with a little bit more sesame. You can also serve it with a little bit of lime or lemon juice to make it super authentic. I don't have either of those, but you get the gist. It's ready.
Are we supposed to eat it?
Yeah. I wanted to go to the house, but somebody was there.
I think the sheetrock guy.
Yeah. Here's a serving thing.
Mmm.
You have to do it on camera.
Video it?
Yeah, but you have to say it on camera that it's good.
I can hear it.
Did you guys hear that?
Mmm. Everybody's so delicious, Rosie.
Yeah, it's probably better they can't see what you look like.
Go, guys!
Okay. Well, that's that. It's good.
Oh, you're videoing? I didn't even know.
Alright, so it's actually a different day now, which is why I'm wearing something else. But I wanted to show you guys the house progress because it is looking like a whole house. Like, we've got sheetrock, they've started mudding it. The windows are just really a moment. And that's like one of the biggest splurges. Look at this though, somebody broke this. I thought the glass exploded, but I guess somebody hit it. Nobody's owning up to it, so we're just gonna have to replace it, which is really great, but it's fine. This is gonna be, I mean, you can't really see anything, but this is gonna be like our dining nook area. I knew we would never use a formal dining room. And so here is where, I posted about this on Instagram, but I want to do checkered just in in the entry. I originally wanted to do herringbone, but they're not allowing me. I know, I'm so annoyed. But I was thinking about doing checkered floors in the foyer area. So we have this beautiful arch door. But yeah, so I'm thinking checkered just in the kind of entryway. This will be an office in here, and then that's a powder room. So the stairs will obviously be here, and I'm just trying to find checkered tiles that are more of a grayish brown. I don't want to do black and white. That's a little bit too stark and too much of a contrast for me. So I'm trying to find tiles that will work. Who's this? Someone coming in the door? Oh, hello. Hello, everyone. Welcome to your new home. Yeah, so, oh, I wanted to grab the cabinets and floor. So here's the flooring that I have chosen. Just a nice white oak look, not too wide of a plank, but not really skinny either. And then this is the kitchen cabinet color. So very complimentary, not too light, not too dark. I swear building a house is being freaking Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Something is too dark, it's too light, it's too this, it's too that. You just want the perfect porridge temperature, you know? It's very difficult to achieve. I haven't picked out one single bit of tile yet, so that's great. All right, so this will be the master, or no, what's it called? Primary. There'll be double vanities here. We have a toilet room. I really wanted a toilet room. I was I don't want to be seeing this toilet ever. Toilets are they're not cute. So this is where our shower will be. And I don't know. These are our closets. I did little archies on the closets. I need to get your guys' thoughts and feedback on California closets. Is California closets worth it? They're so freaking expensive. I just don't know. And I mean, if you live near me and you know anyone who does custom closets, let me know. This will be Tommy's, this will be mine. I'm not gonna do anything too elaborate in here just because I'm gonna make one of the bedrooms upstairs my filming room, and I'll probably make that cuter, but these have to be decently cute because we're leaving them open with outdoors. Not that anyone ever really comes into your bedroom, guests don't come into your bedroom. If they do, that's kind of weird. So that's pretty much it though for updates. I will try to share more once I have more, but I haven't really picked out that much stuff yet, so I'll let you know what I do. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Let me know what you want to see next. I'll try not to take too long before I vlog again, but I always say that.